Hello friends, I hope you all are well and healthy. Nowadays, maximum people are suffering from many kind of drought problems like acidity, gas, indigestion, etc. And some people also feel very low energy level at doing daily life activities. If you are one of them, then this video is only for you. In this video, I will tell you 3 foods that you must include in your diet. Not only these foods are easily available but are proven by Ayurveda and today proven by modern science to resolve blood problems. In this video, we will discuss in detail how can you consume them so that you can get maximum benefits from it. Let's start the video, starting from your mouth, covering the food pipe, stomach, small and large intestine, all the way till anus. The complete digestive tract is called the gut. This gut consists of trillions of bacteria, some of which are good for us while others are bad. The good bacteria in the gut not only help in digest the food, absorb nutrients and extract the waste material from the body out, but they also fight with the bad bacteria. But often due to our bad food choices and some other factors, the good bacteria in the gut reduces while the bad bacteria increase. This imbalance of bacteria is the root cause behind digestive problems like gas, acidity, constipation and IBS. Now we start with 3 foods to get complete freedom from these gut problems. Let's start with cod. Cod is not only the source of vitamin B12 and calcium but is also a natural probiotic. Probiotics are foods that have live good bacteria in them. Just one territory of cod has over 100 billion units of gut-friendly bacteria. To get the most from the probiotics in the cod, add a little jaggery powder in it and have it 30 minutes before breakfast. This humble food will beat most probiotic supplements in the market. You can also take cod in the form of cod raita or onion raita. Cod not only has the power to add taste to a boring meal but is a best food for your gut. Now let's move on to the second food item, that is ginger. If there is one herb best for the overall digestive tract, it is ginger. Be it stomach pain, gas, acidity, constipation, IBS or even as serious as colon cancer, ginger has been proven to be effective. You can take ginger in raw form or for better effect you can take ginger tea in between the meals. Simply boil freshly grated ginger in water, strain out, let it cool and add lemon juice and honey. Crushed ginger can be boiled with milk and consumed before bed. Ayurvedic scriptures recommend that if one eats just one small piece of ginger with rock salt and lemon juice sprinkled over it before meals, it instantly boosts the digestive power. Now let's move to the third food item, that is grapes. Ayurveda counts grapes as one of the healthiest fruits. It has many health benefits, but focusing on gut health, it is one fruit that has the natural ability to bring out the lean waste materials out from the body. Eat a big bowl of grapes and the next day we will observe that stomach gets clear better. You can get grapes in between the main meals as a snack. If you are a grape lover, you can have them as a breakfast. If grapes are not in the season, use raisins, which are nothing but their dried form. Soak 10 raisins in a little water for at least 4 hours. Then eat the raisins and drink the sweet water alone. Friends, this is all about today's video. Start consuming these food items in your diet and you will definitely find that your gut problems will get reduced, or if it is taken daily then you get complete freedom from your gut health. So friends, share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel to get more health related videos in future. Thanks for watching.